Introducing Caption Mic for pre-produced video, period. The process for captioning pre-produced video is similar to creating captions for a live broadcast, period. The voice captioner listens to the playback of the program and voices captions as if it were a live program, period. During the session, they ignore any text errors that may occur, period. For this application, the timing information is actually more important than the accuracy of the text, period. When the captioner is done, they save the file and export it as an alt-text media format, period. This UMF file is actually a timed text XML file, period. Using Caption Mic's companion program, Caption Wrap, period, you can now open the file and correct any text errors and adjust the timing, period. Because the caption file was captioned in relative time, you only need to adjust the start time, period. You can then cascade that change throughout the program, period. When you have completed the corrections to the text, you save the file and then connect to your caption encoder or export to your media format, such as Windows Media Player, Quicktime, Adobe Flash, Real Player, and the DVD standard. Now that we've created the file, we will save it, and then we will export it to the alt-text media format. This is an example of the Caption Mic file output as shown with Notepad. As you see, it's created an XML file with timing information and the caption text. I've now opened the UMF file with Caption Wrap, our post-production caption edit software. You will see that wherever I put my cursor, I can see a corresponding time code for the word or phrase. And we see that this phrase starts at 9 seconds. And for a point of reference, we see that the last phrase starts at 1 minute 39 seconds 29 frames. You would go through your file and look for any text errors or any adjustments that you want to make. I've already looked at this file and I've seen a couple of errors. This word should be text, so I highlight the word and I type in text. I also want to add commas between these proper names. So I've done my text corrections. Now I want to look at my time code. And I see that my time code here starts at 9 seconds. And perhaps I want to sync this up with my audio on a media track. And I want to make this change to be 5 seconds. So I can use these buttons to incrementally go down, or I can just type in 5 seconds. Cascade the change, or ripple the change to all the following captions, and hit enter. Now if I go down here, this used to be at 1:39, is now at 1:35, so the change was successful. When I'm done, I save my file. I can then export my file to Real Text for Real Player, Sammy for Windows Media Player, Apple QuickTime, Adobe Flash, and this is the .scc format for DVDs. I'm going to save this as a Sammy file. And when I do that, I can change my fonts, my text color, and my background color. And I've created a time text caption file for the SAMI format. This is an example of the caption wrap output as a SAMI file as viewed with Notepad. As you can see, it's created a SAMI file. The formatting information is here. Here's your start time. The start time is now shown in milliseconds. And this is the text that will appear at that start time. Now that we've completed our SAMI caption file, we need to link it to a piece of video. To do that, I use a .asx file when I'm creating for Windows Media Player. This is a sample of the .asx file. As you can see, it's very simple. I want to input my media name, also the name of my SAMI caption file. I try to keep those files with the same root and put them in the same directory. Once you've done that, the caption file is linked to the media file, and that's how I captioned our video today. I hope you have found this useful. For more information on Caption Mic and Caption Wrap, please visit us on the web at www.mhsa.us.